Hello, hello, nice to see you. SoundTune, episode 7. Where did I sound go? Hello, I'm Paparingo. 반가워. Where did I sound go? Last time, two vowels met. O plus A, 와, 와요. U plus A, 워, 줘요. Okay, then what about this? 마시 plus 어요. 마시어요. You can say it slowly, but Koreans usually say 마셔요. Wait, what happened? Look at the connection. E plus a. Say them slowly. E, a, yeah. Now make the connection smoother. Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah, 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 yeah. 쉬어, 쉬어. 쉬어, 쉬어, 쉬어. 마시어요, 마셔요. And it's not just 마시다. 가르치어요, 가르쳐요. 기다리어요, 기다려요. The words are different, but look at the connection. E meets a, and the sound slides. So when you see 마셔요, 가르쳐요, 기다려요, don't just memorize the final shape. Slow it down. Find the pieces. 마시 plus 어요, 가르치 plus 어요, 기다리 plus 어요. Now you can see the connection. Two vowels met, and Korean turned the sound. Don't memorize. Discover. 감사합니다. Thank you for spending time with me today. Bye.